that he either agrees or disagrees.
GIIKARO kiria kihanekire umuthi gatagati ga kamiti ya bunge igie guthurima mathabu na uigithia wa muingi hamwe na maabithaa thirikari matongoretio ni Minista wa Migunda Alice Wahome na murunawe wa ugendi Alfred Mutua nikigeire na ndereti hiyo bunge makigeria gwetha nja ya kiuria kia no mwene gicunji kia mugunda haria nyumba ya micemanio ya KICC yakitwo gatagati ka mucii wa Nairobi. Minista Wahome ni uma na ihinda iritu ria kugeria kweheria nganja cia bunge aya ciate mugunda uyu wa KICC waya gukorwo ni wigwatirwo na ukagayanwo ni andu kiumbe.
And I have not seen any record to suggest that it has been alienated. So I want to rest assure the members and the fears that have been aired. They are legit. Because there are all these disputes around.
Mwaka wa 2021 muthurimi wa mathabu ma thirikari Nancy Gathungu ni ahithuririe ati thirikari ya Kenya tiyo nyene mugunda uyu wa KICC no Wahome ni areganite na uhoro uyu akiuga ati gicunji kiu giothe kia mugunda kiandikithitio na ritwa ria ministry ya kigina kuringana na rekodi thiini wa wabici ya mwandikithia wa migunda.
But may I assure the committee that as we speak, the land where the KICC sits is secure, for example, and it's secure and it's in the name of the National Treasury.
That NLC should not attempt to allocate this land before this matter is conclusively decided by this committee. So that order should stand because we know this is Kenya.
No abunge ni monanirie nganja cia kana kiharo kiria kiri hakuhi na KICC kiria gitambulikanite ta Garden Square kana kirio moko-ini ma thirikari kona na abunge ni matindikire Wahome kumahe woira wa kana gicunji kiu ni kiendetio kuri andu kiumbe ta uria muhuhu ukoretwo gitamba ona gutuika Wahome ni ahoire aheo ihinda ria thiku 30 gukorwo aneanite maratathi na riboti cia mathorofea kuonania mugunda uyu timwendie.
I would wish the Minister of Land to give us the original survey, because that one will also guide this committee on how Garden Square came in.
Who is the owner of the public land? I think that's the question I'll be coming to answer. Who is the owner? Because it is agreed that it is public land. That's not a dispute. Who is the owner of the public land? And how can we provide the title?
You must come here with a chronology of event. Let us understand when this title was first issued. Issued for what purpose? If there is any other title that has ever been issued, because this is government run, if you are agreeing that there are 3 persons, come here with 3 titles.
Mweri wa 11 mwaka muthiru thirikari ni aniriire nyumba ino ya KICC arimwe ya honge 10 cia thirikari iria cikuneo andu kiumbe guciramata ikirikana ni ya muigano wa ciringi bilioni 3.3.
Did anybody misread the president?
Good question.
Because if the answer is no, then you should come back here tomorrow and tell us the status.
I would beg that that particular question be addressed to the relevant minister so that you can get the information that you require and the commitment from that specific minister, and that is Minister of National Treasury.
Hadu ine Hakameme TV retwa ria kwa nikimani wagojiri.